Early at the CBD. Medical checkup. It's kind of cold. Huh? Hey guys, I'm here at the CBD right now, and there's nobody here. We drove all the way. It's a bit of traffic because there was an accident back yesterday with a truck, and 4 police officers were killed, so we had to go to another road. Right now I'm in the CBD, and there's not much people running out. And yeah, I'm doing my medical check because I'm a student again. I still haven't got my visa because of the delays for the medical check. Good thing I have it now. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the updates. I'm still waiting for Laura because she's still doing her medical exam there. And yeah, that's just it. No new news today. But yeah, I'm just waiting for Laura right now. Rush hour, rush hour here at Southern Cross, and there's nobody here. Good job, guys. Hey, Laura, how you going?
Nobody like that now.
Yeah. Still early though. Still 8:30 today.
Can't believe this is.
Oh, like pistachio.
Wala lang ningi silang website. Napatay sila lain siguro.
Oh. Yeah, we're here at Loon, and there was a small queue, which is there. And then yeah, we just have some croissants. We have the pistachio, chocolate pistachio, and the almond thing. And how was it? Anyway, I'll just post the video from the phone from Insta Stories after. And it's good, and we're heading home now. Yeah, social distancing, stay safe. Okay. So I was trying to film the leaves falling from the trees because today's autumn and it's hard to film, and I just desperately want to go home now. So yeah, this place is nice. Trees everywhere. No, I think the other way. So yeah, leaves falling, so nice. Okay, the first part of the video is we went to the city and checked it out. We also had our medical checkup for our visa. Thing is, yeah, I didn't film that much. I was just trying out this LUT in this setting, but it's crappy. So I ended the video there, and I didn't film anymore until when I got home. I started filming it. So that's the next episode. Just check it out. But yeah, this video is gonna be cut abruptly. Yeah, didn't have any clips. Cut.